Oh, that man is on the phone. GV20GVM. Mercedes E300. Phone was held in his right hand, down by his right knee. Eyes are down in his mirror. What the fuck are you doing? Keystrokes? Oh dear. E300E. So that was a definite prosecutable catch. See a lit up phone screen. He was typing on the screen. You go carefully through here.